You've been putting off having an implant done because of fear of pain in the mouth and in the wallet. Alright, it's stopping you from smiling. You don't feel like you look good in photographs. But like you, Jane did the exact same. In fact, she'd been putting off having an implant done for 15 years. She's been kicking herself ever since that she's waited this long to have her implant done. 1,100 patients came to see us last year with missing teeth, looking for an option, looking for a solution to replace those teeth. A lot of them fearful of smiling, fearful of eating, fearful of laughing, with low self-esteem. There is a better way. We always think of implants as the perfect solution, the gold standard to replace that missing tooth. Using our guided system, we're able to predictably give you a result that you don't have to stress or worry about. This will affect how you communicate, how you eat, even how you kiss. It's going to give you your confidence back. As implant experts, we know that your smile is everything to you. With the Good Dentist implant method, we look at where you're at today, we put together a plan, we use our precision guided system, and then we build in a maintenance program for us to look after that new implant. At the end of the day, the only person who's ever going to know you had a missing tooth in the first place is you. Don't keep hiding your smile away from the world. Book a consult today and we'll show you how we can do it without blowing a hole in your wallet.